So hello, good day mga ka-MX. Share ko lang sa inyo yung very common na trouble dito sa ating MXI. Lalo na yung mga beginner, share ko lang sa inyo yung basic na problem na na-encounter natin. Usually, nagpapakita ito dito sa check engine natin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung blink. 1 2 3 4 1 2. So yun, napansin nyo mga MX, mabagal na 4 blinks and then mabilis na 2 blinks. Ang dinedenote nun is 42.
Error code 42 on a Yamaha Mio I, Mio Soul, and Mio MXI 125 typically indicates a malfunctioning speed sensor circuit, often caused by a broken speedometer cable, faulty speed sensor, or worn-out gearbox gears. This issue is common in models with idling stop systems, causing the check engine light to blink.
Error code 42 yun. So ang ibig sabihin yan na blink is may problema yung gearbox nyo. So itong MXI ko kasi is matagal nang tinanggal ko yung gearbox. Kung na-encounter nyo to sa inyong motor mga ka-MX is i-check nyo yung speedo cable nyo. So may problema yan. It's either putol or sira na yung gearbox nyo. So nagre-register kasi yung error code na yan papunta dyan sa sensor. May sensor siya dyan sa ating panel gauge. So yan ang solusyon mga ka-MX. Ayusin nyo lang yung speedo cable nyo, palitan nyo ng bago. So yan mga ka-MX. So ngayon balak ko is lalagyan ko na siya, ibabalik ko na yung gearbox natin and lalagyan ko na ulit siya ng speedo cable. So share ko lang sa inyo mga MX yung pag-i-install ng bagong speedo cable. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's do this mga MX.
Thopways would like to thank and shout out to
Toms, Moto, Life Behind Bars, Mark Guapito, Renzo Cabuso, Suzy Rituya, and Dennis Santiago.
Thanks for the love and usual support, ka-MX.
Like it's delirium, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career.
So ito yung mga ka-MX, pinutol ko kasi ito noon dito sa yung speedo cable natin na nababakasali na mawala yung error code check engine nya. So hindi siya effective, hindi mo siya madadaya dun sa sensor nya, hindi siya effective, hindi siya nawala. So papalitan na natin siya ng bagong speedo cable na buo. So ito mga MX, ito yung papalit ko. Yung brand nya is TTGR. So well known naman ito na brand na aftermarket para sa ating Yamaha MXI. ISO certification naman dyan. Genuine parts ika nga. So check nyo na lang yung link nasa description ng video na to. So install na natin to mga MX. Ikabit na natin dito sa panel gauge. Mula papunta dun sa gearbox natin. So ang gearbox is itinago ko muna ang samantala noon. At nandito siya. Ito yung stock gearbox ng ating MXI. So yung gearbox rin mga MX, meron kasi mga aftermarket na hindi accurate. So pagdating sa gearbox mga MX, mas mainam na bilhin nyo yung genuine part ng Yamaha lang. Stock ng MXI lang ang bilhin nyo na parts pagdating dito sa gearbox. Kasi mas matibay at mas accurate syempre. Aftermarket kasi na gearbox is napakataas. For example, tumatakbo ka ng mga 30 na takbo mo, 30 kilometers per hour. Pero pag nakikita mo dun sa aftermarket na gearbox is 40 o 50 na yung takbo mo dun. So ganun yung diferensya ganun kalaki yung agwat nung gearbox na hindi genuine mga IMX. So advice ko sa inyo mga IMX, bumili kayo ng stock na gearbox. Yun lang yun. Okay, additional tip lang yun mga IMX mula sa Tapo Ace. Okay, tuloy na tayo at install na natin yung bagong speedo cable. Let's go.
Cap tilted low. I walk with stride, lock step on.
So yung ikakabit nyo na tong speedo cable, itong orientation, itong dulo na to is para dito sa gearbox. Yan, papasok nyo yan dito. So yung kabilang dulo naman, mapapansin nyo yung pagkakaiba. Yan, ito is pupunta sa panel gauge.
Line shoes, draw map through lanes. I cut corners clean.
Tapos ito pupunta sa gearbox. Tapos yung dito yung gearbox.
Flip to the belt like a pager ping. Hands still calm while the hallway sings.
Kita nyo na lang siya ng flies later on. So yan yung quick guide lang ng mix sa speedo cable natin. So ayan, sasalpak na natin itong gearbox niya dito. So tatanggalin lang muna natin itong ilagay natin hub and mile, yung hub.
Cap tilted low. I walk with stride, lock step on tools. My sneakers slide, lunch money thin, but the aura say go. Whole road now with my cadence flow. Backpack swing that metro glide. Sidekick flash, but I keep it tied. CDR spin and the wrist say go. Whole road now with my cadence flow. Ride whack, rock up on my beat, stay prime. Like a door kick, like a snare on time. Grid line shoes, draw map through lanes. I cut corners clean like a bar buffet. Snapback brim, cash shade on schemes. Notebook margins, cook 16 dreams. Clip to the belt like a pager ping. Hands still calm while the hallway sings. Zip pull quick, that metallic tick. Crowd ripple out like a sample flip. Budget on lean, but the stance on chief. Confidence credit, I swipe. Backpack swing, that metro glide. Sidekick flash, but I keep it tied. CDR spin and the wrist say go. Whole road now with my cadence flow. Ride whack, rock up, swing that metro.
So na-install na natin yung gearbox mga IMX na part. So next naman i-install natin ito. Susuksok na natin to sa loob. Dito.
Rock up on my beat, stay prime. Like a door kick, like a snare on time. Grid line shoes, draw map through lanes. I cut corners clean like a bar buffet. Snapback brim, cash shade on schemes. Notebook margins, cook 16 dreams.
So yun, ipasok na natin yung speedo cable natin at kasalukuyan na natin isusuksok dito sa panel gauge mga IMX. So unahin yung ilagay itong bakal, inner rod nya dito. Sunod yung ilagay yung cap or yung screw cap nya.
Say go, whole road now with my cadence flow. Ride whack, rock up on my beat, stay prime. Like a door kick, like a snare on time. Grid line shoes, draw map through lanes.
So after natin maikabit yung speedo cable dito sa panel gauge mga IMX, testingin muna natin saglit kung mawawala na yung error code nito. Susiyan natin mailaw. Ayan, nailaw pa rin. So ang gagawin natin dyan mga IMX, kung nailaw pa rin, ay paiikutin lang natin itong harap na gulong. Pero normal lang ito mga IMX, dahil kailangan pa nating paikutin muna itong speedo cable para ma-activate, tumikot yung sensor at dun mawawala yung error code o check engine nitong MXI natin. So yan mga IMX, nawala yun na yung error code or check engine. So yan, makikita nyo na gumana at successful yung pagkaka-install natin ng speedo cable sa ating MXI. So just make sure na sakto at mahigpit yung pagkakalagay nyo ng speedo cable sa ating MXI mga IMX. Secure nyo rin maigi yung kable na hindi sasayad dito sa ating gulong MX. So that's our DIY. Sana at least may natutunan kayo sa ating vlog ngayon. Pag-DIY. Installation ng speedo cable and error code. That's it mga MX. Thanks for your usual support. This is Tapoy saying ride safe, stay safe, and God bless mga MX. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye. Rock on.
Cap tilted low. I walk with stride, lock step on cruise. My sneakers slide, lunch money thin, but the aura say go. Whole road now with my cadence flow. Backpack swing, that metro glide. Sidekick flash, but I keep it tight. CDR spin and the wrist say go. Whole road now with my cadence flow. Ride whack, rock up on my beat, stay prime. Lock a door kick like a snake.
Yeah, midnight run, let's get it. Splitting lanes of phantom ghost, I'm living life at red line. Canyon carving concrete curves, I make the asphalt all mine. 2 wheels down, we blaze the top ways, glow up the ride, that's how we accessorize. 2 wheels down, we blaze the top ways, glow up the ride, that's how we accessorize.